Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add a ringtone to iPhone. First thing first, make sure the iTunes Store app is installed. You can download it from the App Store if missing. Then open the iTunes Store app. Tap More in the bottom right corner, then tap Tones at the top of the menu. You can browse by feature categories like music, film, sound effects, etc. Genres for like alternative, comedy, or dialogue. Also, you can search by typing a keyword or title to find the specific ringtone. Now tap on a ringtone to see details and tap its name in blue to preview it. Once you find the right tone, tap the price. A menu will appear with options like Set as Default Ringtone, Set as Default Text Tone, or Assign to Contact, or choose Done to just download it for later. Confirm the purchase by tapping Purchase. Now open Settings, Sounds and Haptics, then scroll to Sounds and Vibration Patterns. Select Ringtone or other alert tone and choose your newly downloaded ringtone from the ringtones list. It will play a preview when selected, and done. You now have a custom ringtone set on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.